Hi! In front of me is TECNO CAMON 18, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Notification Center. Then scroll down again and click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable them, like Gmail. As you can see, all notifications from Gmail are now disabled. You can enable them by clicking on the same switcher again. If you want to, you can always click on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications by clicking on this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!